Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the iBall Tarang Classic Premium 2.1 channel Bluetooth speaker. Now on the front side of the packaging, you can see what the product looks like. iBall uses minimalist branding, so we don't see much written on the front or this side or that side either. On the back side, we have a sticker taking up most of the space, so we don't see much of the specifications, but we'll try to go through whatever we can see. Now, they say that it's designed with premium wooden housing for that live natural sound. It uses fabric to cover the front side. This is an added depth to the bass for dynamic 2.1 subwoofer system. You get a choice of inputs, so you can choose between Bluetooth, USB, SD card, auxiliary in, and FM radio. It comes with an easy-to-use remote control as well. And on the back of the speaker, you should get access for bass and treble controls for fine-tuning the levels of both frequencies, or other frequency ranges. Then you have specifications. So the woofer driver happens to be 10.16 centimeters wide. Satellite drivers are 7.62 centimeters. The frequency response is between 55 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The sound to noise ratio is greater than or equal to 70 decibels. The audio channel separation is greater than or equal to 50 decibels at 1 kilohertz. Distortion is less than or equal to 1%. And the total output, that is power of the speaker, happens to be 40 watts RMS. And the weight of the unit, or rather the entire set of speakers, as you can see, there are three, is 3.5 kilograms. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first up, we have the documentation. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly what all features your device has and how you can use them for your best experience. Then you have the remote control. You can see that you can switch between different input modes, have playback controls, as well as a number pad at the bottom for dialing in FM frequencies. So that's there. Then you have a stereo cable, which will be used to connect your subwoofer unit using the green wire to your individual satellites on left and right channels using the component cables. Then you have the two individual satellites. The front is covered with metal mesh and the body is made out of wood, as they had stated earlier. On the back side, you have the individual cable for that particular channel. The same goes for the other side as well. So the color-coded plugs make it easier to distinguish left and right channels. Then you have the main subwoofer unit. So this is what it looks like. On the front, you have fabric covering a metal grill. You have the little iBall branding. A couple of buttons on the front for power, seeking back, seeking forward, play pause, and selecting between different modes. On the top of the speaker, you have inputs for USB and one for inserting an SD card. There's nothing on the left side of the subwoofer unit. On the right side, you have one port or opening for the bass. Then on the back side, you have a couple of interfaces. So first is this little wire. This is actually the FM antenna. You should open it up and move it about to get the best signal reception. Then you have the left and right channels input and the left and right channels for output. Then at the bottom, you have the power button. You can switch it on and off. And lastly, it uses a standard 2-pin Indian electric plug. So that's it for the unboxing of the iBall Tarang Classic Premium 2.1 channel Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.